Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I got a 2007 Ford F150. Customer complains that the water is dripping from the evaporator box down onto the passenger side of the floor when we have the AC on. So trying to find the evaporator drain is next to impossible on one of these trucks. I will show you what I can show you. So if we look at the diagram for the F-150, we've got a heater core here. So the drain itself is that right there. The drain is what gets clogged going through the firewall. And with the drain going through the firewall, the water cannot get out of that hole there. When you go to the vehicle itself, here it is a better look. You are unable to access that through the wheel well. Even if you take the inner fender liner out, you've got basically a bubble right under this bulge. You've got the dipstick tube in the way here. It's underneath the aluminum foil right here. You cannot access that drain tube from inside or under the car. So I have made a small hole in the evaporator box, which I'm going to show you here. Drilled a hole and then took my blow schnozzle and put it in the box and sprayed it out. So let me get you in here. And by blowing air, shop air through that hole, I was able to get it to where the water will drip on the floor with the AC running. So hopefully that helps you, because I couldn't find any information on the internet about that. Now, as far as what is underneath, this tube right here is where the water drips out of this box. So you can see water dripping out of it right now from all the excessive water that was in there yesterday. So it's not 100% cured, but it's 98% cured, and that should prevent excessive amounts of water from dripping inside the customer's vehicle and saturating their carpet. So hopefully this video helps you out.